Yes.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 22 from the hearings list. Lordship, if the matter can come up on the 27th of August, I've taken the 22nd of October, sorry. I've taken the consent of the opposite party. I'm for the respondent.
On the prayer of Mr. Swensu. Council appearing for the appellants. List this matter again on the 22nd of October.
27th.
27th of October. Okay.
Much obliged, Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for petitioner if my appearance can be known. James Sima. For the appeal. Sorry, sir. Yes, for that.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 3 to 6, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, herein we are required to file an affidavit. I've taken the consent also.
You are appearing for?
In item number 3, I am for the respondent. In 4 to 6, I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Okay. This name seems very familiar. His name keeps coming up every alternate day.
My lord, indeed, he is familiar, my lord.
On the prayer made by Mr. S. Gautam, the council appearing for the petitioner in item number 4, 5, and 6. You give the and respondent in item number 3. Who has taken the consent of the council for the petitioner in item number 3 and respondents in item number 4, 5, and 6. List this matter after?
Lordship, in the second week of November, Your Lordship.
In this, you want any fixed date?
Yes, Your Lordship, I would like.
Any convenient date? You are appearing in the matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. For the petitioner, item 3.
Item 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You want a date? Tell me a convenient date.
No, it's okay. No need for a date, Your Lordship.
List the matter on 10th of November will do?
Yes, Your Lordship.
10th of November 2025, enabling the petitioner in item number 4, 5, and 6 to file the affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah,
I'd like to mention item 17.
Item 17.
Yes, Your Lordship, item 17.
Yes.
Lordship, on the consensus prayer, if the matter may come up on 3rd November,
On a joint prayer made by the Learned Council for the parties, list this matter again on the 3rd of November.
Your Lordship, there's an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue in the meantime.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 8.
8.
8.
8. Okay.
Your Lordship, I have already filed my affidavit on behalf of 3 and 5. I'm yet to file my affidavit and on 1, 2, and 4. So, respondent number 4 is mother expired just recently.
He expired.
Yes, exponent mother.
Respondent's mother.
Mother,
Okay.
yes. So, I may be given another 4 weeks' time to file affidavit on behalf of 1, 2, and 4.
Lordship, I've received the affidavit this morning.
For 3 and 5.
For 3 and 5, he wants to file it for 1, 2. You want to file it for 1, 2, and
I for
4.
the respondent, yes.
Just, Lordship, by last order, this court has directed the respondents to file affidavit. And if no affidavit is filed, then the
Personal
presence.
offense. But I have already filed it. I've already filed for
What
3 and
about
5.
1, 2, and 4?
I've already filed on 3 and 5.
Can we wait till the matter is taken up? I'll have to go through the order. I'll give you the opportunity, don't worry.
Okay.
But let the matter reach.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
Also, I'd like to mention item number 19.
19.
Yeah, hearing. Lordship, here I'm waiting for one instruction from the department. So the matter will be released on 16 of this month. 16, next week.
Who's have you informed the other side?
I'm for the respondent.
Where is the petitioner?
I have informed, but I have.
He wants item number 19 after a week.
Okay.
It is okay?
No objection.
On a joint prayer made by the Learned Council for the parties, list this matter again on
16.
16th of
This
October.
month.
16th of October. Yes. It is 21, 22 matters. I think council should be prepared next dates so that we can finish up some of the matters. No skipping long matters. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 and 20 from hearing.
7 and 24. You are appearing for
Cindy Younger,
7 and
7 and 20.
20. Okay. Yes.
A leading counsel for respondent number 2 is out of station for some personal work for item number 7. So kindly let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Any
If it can come up
objections?
after 2 weeks, Lord.
It is that wife beating matter.
Your Lordship.
But he's serving out the sentence now.
Yes, he's serving, Lordship.
When do you want it? Next week?
After 2 weeks, Lordship, since there's counsel for respondent number 2 will be out of station till that time, so.
On item number 7, you take down on a request made by so and so on behalf of the counsel for the appearing for the respondents. Respondent number 2, which is not objected to by the counsel appearing for the petitioner. List this matter again on
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Also for item number 20,
Yes.
let the matter be refixed on 6/11 next month.
Who's for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Same order. Same order will do.
A date may be fixed, Lordship.
For item number 20, what date do you want?
6/11.
On this, on 6th of November 2025.
Okay. Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lord.
Yes.
I also beg to mention item number 9.
Item number 9. It's a mention day for you today. Yes.
Let the matter be refixed on 14. That is on
Why?
Tuesday.
It's a bail. It is a bail. The CD will come. We'll see. You have the CD?
Yes, I have. But today they are expressing their difficulty.
Take down. Although the updated CD has been received by the learned PP, a prayer has been made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner to list the matter on the 16th as there is some personal difficulty today.
Your Lordship, 14.
On the 14th, as there is some personal difficulty today, accordingly list the matter on 14th of October 2025. Bail applications, someone is behind bars, no? Someone do it.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
May I be pleased to mention item number 21 on behalf of my colleague AIME.
Yes,
Your Lordship, if it can come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
after 2 weeks, on a prayer made on behalf of so-and-so by Miss so-and-so. You've taken the consent of the petitioners. You've
Yes, Your
informed
Lordship.
them? Oh, you are there, yes. Which is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter
Your Lordship,
again.
petitioner is absent again, but I think she has taken the consent, Your Lordship.
Okay.
She telephonically.
List this matter again on when?
After 2 weeks, Your
After
Lordship.
2 weeks. Yes,
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item 3 to 6, Your Lordship.
already mentioned.
Oh, Your Lordship, okay.
I think that has been adjourned for 10th of November.
Oh, Your Lordship, much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15. The leading counsel, he is indisposed. So kindly let this matter maybe accommodated next week.
so what about 16? The same,
Yes, similar submission.
I don't know, 15 and 16. A prayer has been made on behalf of the Learned Counsel appearing for the applicants that he is not in a position to enter appearance today before the court, and therefore the matter may be listed after.
Next week may be listed kindly.
Matter may be listed on the next week. List the matter again on 24th of October. 24th of October will do?
All right, Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
For admission, item number 1.
May it please, my Lord.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly be pleased to turn to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents.
What happened to the review, madam?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Review, you are.
Your Lordship, it's yet to be listed, Your Lordship. So we're
Lordship,
just
it's
waiting.
been 2 months. It was supposed to be listed on 26th.
Yes, Your
Here
Lordship.
is a delinquent Lordship. And in this matter, Lordship, there is this is the High Court of...
The difficulty is this, madam. The money is supposed to come from the central agency, right? The money, the salary is to be paid into your accounts from the central agency directly, is it
Yes,
not?
now it's
That is
like
the
that.
center.
Yes, that is now.
Earlier, the money used to come from the center to the state. The state used to transfer it to your account. Now there is a change in the system
Yes, sir.
where the center directly remits the money to your account. So, if this matter is to be taken up against the central authorities, then they must have a notice of the orders passed by this court, and then they have to be before this court.
Lordship, here we are on the paragraph 20 of the judgment order passed by this Honorable Court.
Show me.
We are not
Page?
on other things.
Page
81.
81. Okay.
19, Lordship. Allow me to read out.
Yes.
We are on that, only on that. They are talking about the fixed salary that is being paid to us since our appointment. They are very,
That is what I'm trying to tell you, madam.
Lordship.
Please understand. We are not trying to say that the state is not paying you. We appreciate the fact that you are aggrieved that the state is not paying you on the pay scale. Have you passed any orders saying that they'll be entitled to pay scales?
no.
Your Lordship,
They are only on the fixed pay. Your Lordship, now what happened is that, Your Lordship, when this contempt was filed, Your Lordship, they have come before this Honorable Court on contempt of that order, Your Lordship. Meantime, there was 4 months of not paying the salary. That's why this court actually directed us to furnish an instruction as to why those payment was not done.
That payment
Yes.
has been made till July.
For the reasons stated, Your Lordship is well aware, and because of that reason, we could not pay, but we have done that part. But now, coming to our order, Your Lordship, which is not being complied with, Your Lordship, we have, I have filed affidavit also yesterday, Your Lordship, stating.
Where is the affidavit? Where is the affidavit?
Yesterday
By
I
respondent
filed.
number?
By respondent number 4, Your Lordship.
Respondent number?
4, Prince.
4. No, we have only a respondent. We have only the affidavit by respondent number 1 filed on 7th of September.
Your Lordship, I also filed yesterday, Your Lordship, one affidavit.
26, 6, 25, 18, 11, 22. Okay, we'll take this matter up after some time. I call
Lordship,
for the affidavit.
I also have item number 4 today fixed for admission
We
hearing.
will take it up anytime before 1 o'clock,
Yes,
once
Lordship.
you arrive in the court.
Lordship.
In the meantime, we call for the affidavit.
Their affidavit is only that they have filed the review.
Yes.
And against that, I have the judgment order of the Punjab and Haryana.
No, what we will do is let the affidavit come.
Lordship.
We'll see what is to be done. Yes, next.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes. Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, what happens is the state is hell-bent on denying me my regularization. They filed a review after this contempt was filed. The review was dismissed. Then they filed an appeal before the division bench. It was dismissed. Then they approached the Supreme Court and it was dismissed. Now they are now asking me to produce documents which are unreasonable documents. And they have not filed even they have not filed the affidavit. They are asking me through telephonic. The officials of the department are asking me through the phone to produce documents every now and then, which record is with them. And your
Yes,
Lordship,
where is the effective?
and they have not filed any affidavit.
The operative part of this order, what was it required to do?
I am only to be regularized, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship may go to the annexure A is the judgment of this Honorable Court. Page 10.
Yes.
The operative portion is?
Page 15.
Yes, page 15.
Yes.
Very simple.
Lordship, in the process of her service regularization, we have asked her to submit the documents.
What documents?
Her particulars and other documents. She has
Where have you
submitted.
stated that? Where have you stated that? Is there an affidavit on record
No,
saying
no,
that yes,
but-
we are waiting for this and this is why?
On the earlier occasion, I have submitted to the court that the matter was under consideration.
Yes.
So that was recorded. But on the last occasion, the petitioner, she submitted different names for which we could not process because.
Where is that affidavit? How do I believe
Lordship,
you or I believe him?
Lordship, then in that case, some time may be given to me. So
I will
that
give you time till the 17th of October.
Lordship, next week I'll be out of station. So, Lordship, kindly make it after.
30th of October.
Okay, Lordship.
Either the entire stand of the respondents are before this court on
Lordship,
affidavit or
Lordship.
they are present before this
Lordship,
court personally
yes.
to explain why.
Lordship,
Because the order is for consideration.
yes. Lordship.
So the affidavit has to reflect which are the documents
Yes.
which is stalling the process and if those documents are with the petitioner, can they be produced by the petitioner? If there is any default on the part of the petitioner, bring that on the record also.
Lordship.
Then we can say whether there is a contempt or not.
Lordship.
And if you have given different names.
No, Your Lordship, that is their statement.
No,
All the records are there, appointment orders, everything is there.
Because he has submitted different names of C. Imo Jun Clark, primary teacher. Again, B Imontla, again B Imodontla, again O Imodontla and Imodontla. So, Lordship, we could not.
This happens mostly in the foreigners' cases, where the person takes up different ID cards saying, I'm a citizen of India. In every card, you will find a different age and a different name. So, please.
Your Lordship, what?
Heard Mr. So-and-so and the counsel for the petitioner also heard Ms. So-and-so who is appearing for the respondent number.
For both the respondents.
For all the respondents. Who are the respondents? These persons are still holding the posts.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
For all the respondents, full stop. It is seen that by the order of which violation has been alleged, had directed the respondents to consider the case of the petitioner for regularization in terms of the office memorandum dated 18/2/2024 within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the order, full stop. The respondents had thereafter filed a writ appeal assailing the order, and on dismissal of the writ appeal had also approached the apex court. Full stop. The court is informed that both the SLP has also been rejected by the apex court. A statement has been made that the respondents, have you filed the review or are you filing the review? Has the review been filed at all?
No, review was filed.
First, initially,
prior to filing the
of the appeal,
they filed the review.
Our Lordship is
It was
like this.
rejected. Then,
Lordship, the OEM under which she was to be regularized was already question set aside by this honorable court. So against which we filed a review. The review was dismissed, for which we filed an appeal. The appeal was dismissed, and we filed an SLP again, and we withdrew the SLP. That's all.
No, that office memorandum under which
She is supposed to be regularized has already been question set aside by this honorable court, for which we filed the review. But the review was not allowed, saying that because of the delay, Lordship. Otherwise, it has not gone into the
Now
merits.
under what they will consider you?
That's what.
Your Lordship, the thing is like this. The facts of the case has been clearly laid out in the judgment itself. Those who were similarly situated,
were regularized.
all of them were regularized. She was also in the list. What happened was
No.
she was left
That
out.
I've seen.
We see that she did not appear for the suitability test.
What did you then say? What was the last sentence? Then the review has also been apex court. The review was in the apex court.
No, before the
SLB.
single bench.
SLB was.
Then you strike out that sentence that review has been rejected by the
Single bench.
apex court. You strike it out. There was a writ petition. They had filed a writ appeal. What did that part? Writ appeal part? You tell me. Apex court.
First, we filed the review. After that, we filed the appeal.
Then?
After that, we approached the Supreme Court.
Yes. Then what has happened to that? The Supreme Court has dismissed it.
Yes.
The Supreme Court has rejected the SLP filed by the respondents. है ना? उसके बाद review वाला part काट दो. That part will not be there. Next paragraph करके लिखिए. The respondents have not brought on record till now as to what has caused the delay after the dismissal of the SLP in complying with the orders of this court. Ms. So-and-so, appearing for the respondents, have prayed for an opportunity to file an appropriate affidavit. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. The respondents may file their affidavit explaining the cause for non-compliance of the order on or before 28th of October 2025
Lordship, make it 30. Make it 30.
We'll list it on 30. You file the affidavit by 28th so that he can also go through and
Before
we
that,
can.
I'll try to file. Before that, I'll file. But make it 30, Lordship.
No, you will file the affidavit by 28. The matter will come up on 30.
Then make it 29.
Okay, 29th of October 2025. And the matter be again listed on 31st of
Lordship.
October 2025 along with the affidavit.
Okay.
Full stop. It is made clear that on the failure of the respondents to file the affidavit may require their personal appearance before this court on the next date.
Lordship. Okay. Much obliged.
Will require the personal appearance. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes. Next.
For admission, item number 8.
8. Yes.
Lordship, may kindly peruse last order. That is
Yes.
1609-2025.
Where are the respondents?
Lordship, for 3 and 5, I have already filed my affidavit.
Exempted.
And for
1, 2, and 4. 4 is suffering some.
on bereavement.
Is in bereavement. And
Yes,
what about
Lordship.
1 and 2?
So I pray that it will I will be given another 3 weeks time to.
At 11:30, get them here.
Lordship,
They should
please.
be here at 11:30. Yes, next.
Pardon, Lordship?
They should be here at 11:30.
No, they are all at Delhi.
The order was that if they are not here,
Yes, Lordship.
if the affidavit is not filed, they will be personally present before the court.
Lordship,
They are taking it for
may-
fun. They think the orders of the court is for fun. When there is a specific order, yes, take down.
May I please, Lordship, I will give
Heard
another.
Mr. So-and-so.
Another, Lordship,
Yes.
at least 2 weeks time to.
No.
file, please.
No, we'll issue warrants against them. We'll have them
No,
arrested
Lordship,
from Delhi
please.
and brought them here.
I'm.
They will not take the court lightly, see.
No, that's why, Lordship.
Contempt
It's a contempt.
already
Lordship,
irritates the court.
no.
Then there is an order of this court which says,
2 weeks time, we will file our affidavit, Lordship. We have
the
this-
order
my-
of this court is of 21/5/2024,
Yes,
and
Lordship.
therefore this court is of the view that the respondents can be allowed 3 weeks' time.
Yes, Lordship.
If the same is not filed within 3 weeks, respondents are to appear in person before this court on the next day.
I pray that, Lordship, as you give another 2 weeks
Violation of
time-
that order is one part
No, no.
of the writ petition. What about the violation of the orders passed in the contempt petition?
Lordship.
When did they go to Delhi?
My please, Lordship.
When did they go to Delhi?
Though they are all at the station at Delhi, Lordship.
Eh?
They are all stationed at Delhi.
Let them come here. Have they sent you the instructions? Have they sent you any instructions what to do in the matter? No.
On behalf of respondent forward, they have said it is on
What about 1 and 2?
1 and 2 that they will be filing their affidavit.
No,
So,
we are issuing warrants.
Lordship, I'm afraid that at least 2 weeks time.
No.
2 weeks time, Lordship. please.
We are issuing warrants. Cannot be.
There's a last chance,
These
Lordship.
people, no, there was a last chance given to you already on 16/9.
This is, Lordship, this is not intentional.
Was the order conveyed to
Lordship,
them?
it is not intentional that they have not filed.
It is.
I pray that,
We will take it to
I
be
pray that-
intentional.
I will pray that.
There is no application seeking exemption.
No.
There is no application seeking why the affidavit cannot be filed.
Lordship.
There is no affidavit filed as to why they have not complied with the orders.
2 weeks time, Lordship, please, I pray that it may be 2 weeks time to file their affidavit. In the meantime, Lordship, I will file my affidavit. As a last chance, Lordship, I will file my affidavit. 2 weeks time, Lordship, as a last chance.
I cannot change a judicial order unless there is
Yes,
an
Lordship, but I
application.
pray before the Lord that I be given 2 weeks time to file my affidavit.
This was
and I
passed
will-
on 16/9/2025.
Yes, Lordship. I hardly submit before the Lordship that at least sometime
See, it
affidavit.
is not because of, see, had there been a delay on your part, had there been some difficulty on the part of the council or in the communication part?
And Lordship,
This court
and if my
understands.
Lordship also, I will be allowed to submit, there is also an appeal pending before the Honorable Court, that is April 28 of 2005. An appeal is also pending before this, court.
On this,
Yes, Lordship.
on this writ petition?
Yes,
On
Lordship.
this order?
On this petition, on,
Any stay granted?
no, the stay has been granted so far.
There will be delay of more than 1 year.
So it is only on the limitation part that it is not paid
Limitation,
in C.
even if they are filed, it will be in the limitation.
This Lordship,
Has it been filed?
there is an appeal.
Has the appeal been filed?
My please, Lordship.
Has the appeal been filed?
Yes, appeal has been filed. It is registered as 28 of 2025.
No, the-
And notice has been issued, Lordship.
On the?
On the,
On the limitation part?
Yeah, on limitation.
Nothing. When was it filed?
That was filed on 26/9. Nine.
Only after the order passed by this contempt court. That's 26/9. And the order passed was in 16/9.
Appeal is 28 of 2025.
Huh?
Appeal number is 28 of 2025.
No, the appeal cannot be registered without the delay being condoned.
Yes,
So it
Lordship.
is only a filing serial number.
Notice has been issued in the
That is troubling the court more now because after this personal appearance thing, these things have moved, filing an appeal. How many days delay?
That will be more than, the order was passed on 21/05/2024.
2024.
21/05/2024.
365 days, Lordship.
No, I think we will have to take steps. These people. You have filed it on behalf of
In the
3 and 5.
3 and 5, yes.
Why 4 has suffered a demise? Is in bereavement.
In bereavement.
Since when?
I was informed that he is on bereavement, Lordship.
Yes, find out. Okay, you just keep a note that the respondent number 4 is in bereavement. So that part we will look into. 1 and 2 is in difficulty. I'll pass the order.
Lordship, I pray that at least 2 weeks' time, and since appeal is also pending, I'll be giving 2 weeks, at least 2, as a last chance, Lordship. As a
Then
last
we'll
chance, I
pass the
pray.
order here. Let's take the
Lordship, as a last chance, I pray that.
This is not last. The court had already given a direction.
Yes, Lordship, I appreciate that because
There is no other way out.
Because of some, I'm sorry for condolence. I'm sorry for that I could not file.
No, it is not because of you. From
As a last chance, Lordship, I may pray.
From 2020, from the beginning of the year 2025,
No.
the respondent number 1 and 2
No.
and 4
Oh,
have not answered to the court.
it's not intentional, Lordship.
It is. It has to be intentional.
They were.
It has to be
because
intentional. They must understand the impact of the court if they have not understood till date. So that is what.
Lordship, I pray. Please, I pray that at least some time I be given. At least 10 days time also.
We will not go for that.
May Lordship, please, I pray because since the appeal is also pending before the division bench, I pray that at least 10 days time may be given to them.
Even that fact is not brought on record.
That has to be brought
Even that
through
fact has
affidavit.
not been informed on record by the respondents.
Because we have not filed our affidavit. Because we have not filed our affidavit.
Exactly.
1, 2, and 3,
Exactly.
5, 4, we have not filed our affidavit, so that is not brought on record. This
I don't think we can forgive this. No, sorry.
Lordship,
Heard Mr.
no,
Smith.
please, at least 10 days time, within 10 days time, I will file my affidavit.
I cannot alter this order. Heard
Lordship,
Mr. Swenson.
my please, before Lordship may dictate, before my election, please, I pray that. And at this last chance may be given.
I can only give you this much. This is 11 o'clock. I am here till around 1 o'clock. Kindly find out when can they appear. Just
May please, Lordship.
They have to
May
appear.
please, Lordship, at least give me 5 days time, or less 5.
To appear.
No.
They will appear.
Do file my affidavit.
They have to appear. sir.
5 days time, I will file my
cannot
affidavit.
alter
Lordship.
that. Just
Please.
find out a convenient date when they can come and appear. That is it.
Lordship, they are
We
all
are
from,
giving
they
you
are,
half
they are
an
all
hour's
from
time.
Delhi, so it's
Yes,
very
next.
difficult to. May please, Lordship, since an appeal also is pending, I pray that at last chance, please, Lordship, I sincerely pray before Lordship. Last
I
chance.
cannot override the orders
Yes.
of this court.
Yes, Lordship.
It will
But in
send
some
one of
exceptional
the
case,
worst
in some
messages possible.
exceptional
There is
case,
no
Lordship.
exception. Show us the
please-
exception.
Lordship,
What is the
I'll say,
exception?
I'll file it within 5 days. My
This is
affidavit.
not an exception.
I pray, Lordship, 5 days time.
Yes, next, you will call this matter on 11:30, just ask them when can they appear. A convenient date for them to appear. That is all.
My one prayer, at least give me 5 days time, I'll file my affidavit and I'll.
The order of the court is for them to appear.
Yes.
They have not appeared.
Yes, Lordship.
At your request, the maximum we can do is, even if we issue a warrant, they have to appear on a certain date before this court.
Yes, Lordship.
Without issuing the warrant, when will they appear before this court? That is the only information we want.
My only prayer, Lordship. Pray for your Lordship. I will pray before your Lordship. I may be given 5 days time.
11:30, we'll call the matter again at 11:30. Next.
For admission, item number 1.
Next matter. Oh, it has come.
Your Lordship, the petitioner, I think she
Are
has...
you, Courtmaster, call it when the petitioner is here. Counsel for the petitioner is not here, no? Call it when the counsel for the petitioner comes.
For admission, item number 10.
Additional affidavit filed, sir?
Your Lordship, may I please, Your Lordship, we were not informed by the filing section that this additional affidavit was rejected, Your Lordship.
Why?
We were not informed.
Why was it rejected?
Just because we have inserted the officer in charge and the investigating officer as parties and not the state of Nagaland. Your
Additional
Lordship.
affidavit?
In additional affidavit, yes, Lordship.
Why are you making new parties in the additional affidavit?
Your Lordship, our additional affidavit, we have a copy of the additional affidavit here, Your Lordship. So,
the parties in the
yes,
petition is the state of Nagaland and one.
that is respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2.
Yes,
right?
Your Lordship.
How did you put in some other respondents?
Since both the officer in charge as well as the investigating officer, they are being represented by the state.
Cannot be. You
Yes, Your
cannot,
Lordship.
you cannot add parties in an additional affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship. But we were not informed of a rejection of our additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
When did you file it?
It was filed on the 25th of September, Your Lordship.
Did you find out?
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is not the duty
but
of the registry
Your
to
Lordship,
run around informing you. It is your duty to go to the registry
Your
and find out what has happened.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your
You are
Lordship,
Mr.?
Tongpang Jamil, Your Lordship.
I heard Mr. Tompang Jamil, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Jamil states that although an additional affidavit had been filed, but the same was not accepted by the registry due to some defects. Full stop. He prays for liberty to file a corrected affidavit, to file the additional affidavit in the correct form, and prays for 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, 1 week.
1 week, for 1 week time to do the same. Respondent number 2, any affidavit filed?
No, not yet.
You don't want to file?
I will file.
How much? 1 week, the same time. The counsel for the respondent number 2 has also prayed for a week's time to file the affidavit. This is challenging what?
For question of the FIR, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, regardless of that additional affidavit, Your Lordship, there is already a settlement agreement on record.
We will
So, Your
fix it
Lordship,
after 1 week.
Yes, Your
Because today we are a little hard pressed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We will not be able to hear and dictate. We may not be able to.
Yes.
So we'll fix it immediately on the next week. Today is the
Lordship,
9th.
after a week, next week I have a difficulty.
We'll fix it on the 23rd of
Yes.
October. 23rd, list the matter again on 23rd of October along with the affidavits to be filed by the counsel for the petitioner, along with the affidavits to be filed by the petitioner and the respondent number 2. There's a stay? No. Any proceedings going on?
Yes, Your Lordship, we have already given the order of the Chief Judicial Magistrate deferring the matter. IEA.
It has been deferred?
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item numbers 11 and 12.
Yes. Who appears? This is an I for what?
Condonation.
Condonation of delay. Any objections filed?
May
Filed your objections?
No, Your Lordship, in fact, this matter has been handled by additional AGV Shokre. She is on her leg in court number 1, Your Lordship, right now. If this matter can be listed after the listed items, Your Lordship.
If it pleases Your Lordship, can the matter come at 2?
I may not be available at 2. So, let us wait for some time.
Lordship.
Or you have another matter? You have other matter.
The same hearing is going on in court.
So, can it be, should we take this up on the 13th?
Lordship.
Today is the 9th. 13th
Very
or
well,
14th?
very well.
Because there is no stay here.
No stay.
No stay. It's only a review.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On the 14th?
Lordship.
At the joint request made by the parties, let's this matter again on the 14th
13th, Your Lordship, 13th.
13th of October 2025.
For orders, item number 13.
Yes, sir. Represented all of them. Mr. S. Ahmed appears for the respondent number 127, submits, he'll be filing his wakalatnama within a short time.
Lordship, I've already filed, Lordship.
You have filed the wakalatnama?
Yes, Lordship. But my name was not highlighted in the list.
Oh. But would you be filing any objections to this?
Lordship, I haven't received the copies yet.
You know, with the concerns of the consult, on 22 September, I have sent soft copy to the consult with his consent.
22nd of September, you have received soft copies?
Lordship, but then I haven't received the annexes and all, so that I could go through and file.
You sent only the petition?
Yes,
yeah, that's it.
No annexures?
I can save the details.
Learned Counsel, Mr. S. Ahmed, appearing for the respondents number 127, has submitted that although he has filed his wakalatnama, he has not been able to advise his client on the requirement of filing an objection to the application seeking condonation of delay of 19 days because he has not been supplied with a full copy of the interlocutory application seeking condonation, full stop. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the applicant has undertaken to serve a complete copy of the IA to Mr. S. Ahmed during the course of the day.
Okay, yours.
Accordingly, how much time you will require to file the objection?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Accordingly, list the matter on 28th of October 2025,
Lordship.
along with the objections, if any, filed by the respondents. Full stop.
Yes. For orders, item number 14.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, as per the previous order dated 29/8/2025, this Honorable Court allowed the applicant to take steps upon respondent number 8 and 9 through paper publication, which we have taken steps, Your Lordship. However, we are yet to file our affidavit, Lordship. Affidavit of service. So, 2 weeks' time may be granted, Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so appearing for the applicant insurance company submits that although the paper publication has been made as per the liberty granted by this court.
Lordship, I am for respondent number 127.
Yes. Yes. However, the affidavit in compliance thereof is yet to be filed. He seeks
2 weeks' time, Lordship.
2 weeks' time to file the said affidavit. Prayer is allowed. Mr. So-and-so appears for You are appearing for, sir?
Respondent 11.
Okay, Mr. S. Ahmed appears for respondent number 127 and Mr. Spencer appears for respondent number 11. Who appears for 10? 10 also you appeared, it is shown. It is submitted the respondents number 10 and 11 have been furnished copies. No, don't write it. It is submitted that respondent numbers 10 and 11 have been furnished copies of the petition through learned government advocate. Could you be appearing for them also? Ten is driver of the home department.
Yes. He's personally named, so I don't know whether it's like that in performing.
Because you entered appearance on behalf of him, the service has been taken to be complete. Anyway, list the matter on 29th. No, 29th is a DB day. 30th of October.
Lordship.
Along with the compliance affidavit to be filed by the
Much obliged, Lordship.
applicants.
For hearing, item number 18.
Yes, sir.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, the matter pertains to illegal occupation.
Both parties prepared? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
My Lord, here I'm appearing for respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 8.
2, 3, 4, and 8. 2, 3. Yes, who appears for the railway?
Lord, I am appearing, Lord.
Yes. You'd be comfortable doing it, what do you say, virtually? Or
Lord, actually I was supposed to do it physically, Lord. My learned friend, I have given him consent also, Lord, but due to certain preoccupation, I could not travel, Lord. Right now I am in Shillong actually for a matter, Lord.
Okay.
Lord, can I pray, my Lord, that if convenient to the petitioner, my Lord, any other
the
date?
land is, yes, we'll consider that. The land is with you right now in your occupation or in the occupation of the
Railways.
Huh?
Railways. NF Railways.
You are keeping a hold on the land of the petitioners. From when?
For the last 4
My
decades.
Lord, here the compensation has already been paid, my Lord.
Not only the compensation act, sir, they will also be entitled to many more compensations if you cannot show that it was being held lawfully. They have been deprived of the use of their land.
No, my Lord, the acquisition was done lawfully, and the land acquisition compensation as well as the compensation for crops, both were paid. Long back, my Lord, in the year 86. And now, my Lord, coming after 24 years before the Honorable Court, my Lord,
When can you be physically here?
my Lord, Lord, after Diwali, my Lord, any date, my Lord, after maybe last week of October, my Lord.
Lordship, if it's convenient next week, if it's convenient for my learned friend.
He's saying after 24th. Because next week the Gauhati High Court, the principal seat is also open, he's a CGC there.
Lord.
And thereafter it will be the Diwali time.
Lord.
Diwali is something important to some people.
Lord, I understand.
So he's asking for the last week of October, that is anytime after 27th or thereafter.
Lord.
If you agree to it.
Lordship, 27 or 28?
27 or 28. You are here. 27th or 28th, Mr. Gupta? But we'll take this up for disposal. This is a matter of 2022.
Lordship.
Okay. Take down heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondent number. You are appearing for 2, 3?
2, 3, 4, and 8.
2, 3, 4, and 8. Full stop. Mr. H. Gupta, learned Central Government Council, appearing for the railway authorities, has put in appearance virtually and has made a prayer for listing of this matter on 27th of October. Will that do? Mr. Gupta, 27th.
My lord, my lord.
27th of October 2025, where he assures that he would be appearing before this court in physically. Full stop. The prayer made is not objected to by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Lordship, let it be the last chance, Lordship. It has been
Full
pending
stop.
for quite some
It
time.
is noticed that this matter has been pending from the year 2022.
Lordship.
And relates to payment of compensation for land which is now under the possession of the railway authorities but is asserted by the petitioners to be owned by them. Full stop. List this matter again on the 27th of October 2025. It is made clear that no further adjournments would be allowed on the ground of inconvenience.
Lordship.
Yes.
Vice Lordship.
My lord, obliged.
Okay. 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 Yes, you ask them if they can come back. And we'll sit around 11:30. 11:30 we'll assemble after 10 minutes. Because only 2 matters are left, I believe.
Your Lordship, they are also about to finish.
So if we'll come back at 11:30.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Thank you. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, may I be pleased to mention item 11 and 12, Your Lordship, it was fixed on 13 it seems. However, Your Lordship, our additional AG, Ma'am Shukra will be on the principal seat on 13.
Okay.
So if it can be posted after Diwali.
Have you taken the consent of?
Your Lordship, just now she informed me inside the court. We will inform the petitioner, Your Lordship, because she will otherwise be in the principal seat.
So
After
instead of 13th, we can put it on 23rd?
After Diwali, after Diwali.
So 23rd is after Diwali. Or
Okay,
you want
okay,
23rd, you are there?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Instead of 13th, for that item, no? Item number 11 and 12.
11 and 12.
11 and 12, make it 23rd.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 8.
8, yes.
Lordship, I want to make some clarification, Lordship.
Please.
This on 26/8/2025.
26/8/2025.
2025.
2025, yes. 26/8/2025. What happened?
Yes, I erroneously mentioned that I will be appearing for all the respondents, Lordship.
It has been mentioned that you would be appearing
For all the respondents, Lordship. But I'm appearing for, here I am appearing only for respondent number 3 and 5. 3 is, that is the Director General of Police, CRBF, and 4 is DIG, Group Center, CRBF.
Where does it?
So respondent number 1, 2, and 3, they have not, 4, they have not filed their Vakalatama. So notice is not complete as far as respondent number 1, 2, and 4. It was my mistake, Lordship, that I have mentioned that I'm praying for all the respondents, Lordship.
It is what?
My mistake. My apology for that.
See, it would be, the things would have not gone to this extent.
Yes,
if
Lordship,
the
Lordship.
notices-
I'm sorry,
If notice
this is
is not
my-
complete, you should have pointed it out also.
I was mentioning only on behalf of the CRBF, Lordship, but I intentionally, without the,
Wakalatnama filed on behalf of, Wakalatnama and affidavit motion.
I'm praying for the CRBF, Lordship, 3 and 5. That is CRBF.
3 and 5 only.
Yes, for CRBF. For others, they have not filed their Vagarat also.
So what does the CRPF say? 3 and 5, what do they say?
Lordship, I filed my affidavit, Lordship. In fact, Lordship,
No. Who is the respondent number 3?
the Director General CRBF.
You are in again. 3 has filed his affidavit.
Yes,
Where is
yes.
5?
3 and 5.
How can Yatendra file it for respondent number 3? Contempt is always
personal.
Then how can someone file an affidavit on behalf of respondent number 3? Respondent number 3 has to file his own affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, it is also there, Lordship.
5 cannot do it.
Yes.
5 will file his on his own behalf.
On his own behalf, he should file on their own behalf.
So now even 3 has not filed his affidavit.
3 has not filed his. He has not filed his Vagarat also, Lordship.
And what about that service report on
Nothing has shown
1,
under
2 and
this.
4 years?
No service report, Lordship. No service.
Lordship, since he made submission that he had appeared, so notice was deemed to have been complete for all the respondents.
Yes, take down.
So this Vagarat, this affidavit will all be on behalf of respondent number 5, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes,
3
Lordship.
is yet to file the affidavit.
He has already filed since he has said on behalf of respondent 3 and 5.
No,
but
3.
he has not.
3 has not filed his affidavit.
Yes, 3 has also not filed.
So, Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel appears for the respondent number 3 and 5.
3 and 5.
You appear for 3 also?
3 and 5 also.
Have you filed the Wakalat
No,
number
no.
for 3?
No.
You have not filed Wakalat number
No,
for
not
3? You have filed a Wakalat number for whom?
I have not filed my Vagarat, Lordship.
Then why are you appearing?
I have been informed.
Huh?
I've been
You cannot
informed
do
of that.
that. This is contempt.
Yes, Lordship. Yes,
In contempt matters, is it not better?
or
One cannot
otherwise,
appear without a Wakalat number.
otherwise, I may also be allowed to withdraw my Vagarat, this affidavit and file.
They'll be in then the officers will be in problem.
Because they have not filed their, they have not received notice has not been complete on behalf of respondent 1.
Then
But at least 3 and 5 is complete.
where?
Yes, I appeared.
This affidavit has been filed by 3.
3. No, not by 3. By
5.
by 5.
Okay. What did you say, Mr. So-and-so, learned central government council? You are the central
No,
government
no,
council?
sir, but okay. In
Individual
contempt, in contempt is...
No. Otherwise, you are a central government
Yes, Lord.
council. Yes, learned central government council has put in appearance today. Full stop. When the matter was first taken up, a submission was made that the affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 3 and respondent number 5 has been filed, and time was sought for to file the affidavit in opposition for the respondent number 1, 2 and 4, full stop. In view of the orders passed by this court on 16/9/2025, today the court was not inclined to grant any further time to the respondent number 1, 2 and 4 to file the affidavits.
I'm not...
Listen
Yes,
to the
yes,
order,
yes.
never interrupt, because we are on the line of thought.
My
If I
apologies.
make a mistake, point it out at the end of the order.
My apologies.
Yes. This court was not inclined to grant any further time to the respondent number 1, 2 and 4 to file their affidavits, and had requested the learned CGC to take instructions as to why the respondent number 1, 2 and 4 were not present before this court on their failing to file the affidavit. Full stop. The next paragraph. When the matter was taken up after some time, the learned CGSE has brought to the notice of this court that the respondents number 1, 2 and 4 have not, has informed, that sentence we had right now, learned CGSE has informed this court that there is no service report of notices having been served upon the respondents number 1, 2 and 4 with regard to this contempt petition. Full stop. It was on a mistake of fact that the learned CGSE, who is Chingyang Fong?
This is my junior.
He made a statement that he'd be appearing for all the respondents.
Yes, that is what the problem is.
On 26.
It was on a mistake of fact that the learned counsel assisting Mr. So-and-so, CGSE, had made a statement on 26/6/2025 that he would be entering appearance on behalf of all the respondents, and therefore this court had thereafter proceeded on the premise that the respondents had been served and they were yet to file their response to the contempt petition. Who is Miss Asiki?
That is also my junior.
All misinformed. Take down the next paragraph. We have perused the records of the contempt petition, and we find that there is no service report with regard to the service of notice on the respondent number 1, 2, and 4. Full stop. In that view of the matter, the earlier orders passed by this court, which required all the respondents to file their response, may require a reconsideration. Next paragraph. You have to take steps then, because there was no service report. And you last took steps on 23/6. 23/6, yes, you see.
Yes.
The postal tracking is available only for 3 months.
Yes.
So 23/6, 3 months, 23/9. Records will not be available now to find out whether they have been served or not.
Yes.
So you have to take fresh steps.
Lordship, will do it.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed that he may be allowed to take fresh steps on respondent number 1, 2, and 4 within a period of 1 week. 1 week. Full stop. The prayer is allowed. Steps by usual process as well as registered AD allowed. Right? Since now we have also noticed that an affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 5
on behalf of 3 and 4.
stating the same to be on behalf of both respondent number 3 and 5.
Hello.
This court would only accept the said affidavit to be an affidavit on behalf of respondent number 5 and not on behalf of respondent number 3, since in a contempt jurisdiction, each of the respondents are required to file their individual response to the allegations made in the contempt petition. Full stop. Therefore, we allow a period of 2 weeks further time to the respondent number 3 to file his response to the contempt petition. Full stop.
May I bribe that 3
Yes,
weeks,
yes.
3 weeks time?
Huh?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks. We said 2 weeks.
Yes.
Make it 3 weeks. 3 weeks time to file his response on so and so. Next paragraph you take down. List this matter again on. You will take steps by just a minute. You will take steps by today is 9th, 16th. You will take your steps. 4 weeks thereafter. Is it not? 1, 2, 3, 4. 13th of November. We can just a minute. We can list it on 17th of November. It will be after 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Is it not? That is the usual time for a notice. List this matter again on 17th of November 2025 with a report of service of notice on the respondent number 1, 2, and 4. No orders are called for with regard to service of notice on the respondent number 3, since the respondent number 5 has already stated in his affidavit that he has been authorized by the respondent number 3 to file the affidavit, and therefore it can be presumed that the respondent number 3 has notice of these contempt proceedings. Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner would also be at liberty to place before this court the postal tracking of the registered AD notices issued to respondent number 1, 2, and 4 in the form of an affidavit on the next date of before the next date of listing. List the
Lordship,
matter again on
regarding
17th
the
of November.
Paklatnama,
Oh, yes,
maybe you should.
you also take down one more paragraph. It has been noticed that No wakalatnama has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 3 and respondent number 5, although Mr. So-and-so learned CJC has entered appearance on their behalf. Mr. So-and-so CJC shall take appropriate steps to have proper authority filed for his appearing on behalf of respondent number 3 and 5. Sometimes I think they do with the memorandum of appearance. If you get an authorization letter, you can file a memorandum of appearance. And if they send you a wakalatnama, good enough, you file your wakalatnama. But there must be something on record with their signatures allowing you to appear.
I'll file my separate wakalatnama on 3 and 5.
Wakalatnama for 3 and 5,
Right.
and with 1 to 4 also. See, a little time given, a lot of trouble saved. Yes.
Much obliged, much obliged.
Yes.
Obliged, man.
For admission.
And one thing, sir, whatever this court has expressed on the earlier occasion, it is not on. It is not on anybody at the bar or anybody inside the court. It is because this court needs to have its authority
I understand this is a contempt petition.
try to look away from the court. We do not allow that.
I understand this is a contempt petition. Yes.
If there is an explanation, we are ready to hear why and how. But absence of explanation will never be an excuse in this court.
Yes. I duly appreciate that.
Thank you. Yes,
Yes. For admission, item number 1.
Item number 1. So apparently, madam is still not free.
Yeah, it will mostly likely to take time.
You appear for the. You appear on her behalf.
Your Lordship, my senior counsel is serving this matter in.
Now, if you can explain to your senior counsel, I will tell you the difficulty in this matter. Why? What is the difficulty in the matter? You see, if you can just try to understand. Earlier, the salary was paid by the state authorities, who were respondents in the writ petition. Now the salary comes directly from the central government to the account of the petitioners. You understand? That state is gone now. It will come from the center. The center does not know about the case. The center does not know about the orders passed. Therefore, the center is sitting tight. Are you understanding? No.
I'm getting confused. Can the matter be fixed next week on any day?
Your Lordship, as I have stated previously, also I'm having some difficulty
No,
next
we'll
week.
not fix it on next week. We'll fix it sometime or thereafter. At the prayer of the learned counsel for the. You strike that out. When the matter was taken up earlier today, when the matter was taken up earlier today, the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4 was not on record, and therefore it was deferred for some time so that the affidavit can be placed before the court. Next para. On second call, the affidavit has been brought on record where a reference has been made to a review petition civil bearing diary number 45646/2025 filed in the Apex Court against the order dated 25/2025 passed in SLP number 19524 of 2022 within bracket you write State of Nagaland and others versus Amos, Sib and others. Full stop. The review petition has been stated to be filed on 14/8/2025, which as per the affidavit sworn on 8th of October 2025 is still pending. Full stop. In the next paragraph, in the earlier order dated 492025, this court had recorded that the respondents in the state government had arranged for and paid salaries to the petitioners at fixed pay
Yes, Your Lordship.
for the period from April to July 2025. It is noticed that there is no statement regarding the payment of salaries even at fixed rates for the months of August and September. You have not made any statement?
Your
Or have you
Lordship-
made any statement?
No, that we have not recorded.
Next paragraph. A specific stand has also been taken by the respondents that earlier, though they were in a position to release salaries to the petitioners, a specific stand has also been taken by the respondents that earlier they were the concerned authorities to release the pay to the petitioners, but at present, the salary of the petitioners have to be remitted to their accounts by the central agencies, by the central government agencies, and not through the state authorities. Full stop. List this matter again on 29th of October 2025 to enable the Learned Council appearing for the petitioners to examine this aspect of the matter and also enable the council appearing for the respondents to inform the court as to what steps have been taken for release of salaries to the petitioners for the months of August and September 2025. Full stop. The Learned Council for the respondent shall also inform this court as to what steps have been taken for granting the scale of pay.
Your Lordship, my humble prayer, apology for disturbing Your Lordship. Firstly, as you have correctly noted, Your Lordship, the salary, even if the central does not give, the state used to make some arrangement and used to give, and later on they get reimbursed. Yes, Your Lordship. However, after that, but now, as far as the next month is concerned, we have already stated in our affidavit that we are having difficulty. Now, everything has to go debited to their account only. So unless and until that
there are
thing.
two stages, madam, understand, there are two stages. You can tell this to the respondents also, get a clarification.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There are two stages.
Yes, Your
One,
Lordship.
they will be given a scale of pay. They have to be given that scale of pay that you are now entitled to. Your pay will be fixed in this scale of pay. Second part is you will give the money to them in that scale of pay.
That, yes, but that is yet to
So
be
they
complied.
were on the fixed pay.
Yes, yes.
This court directed the state
For scale
authorities
of
to
pay.
give them.
Scale of pay.
Who appointed them?
Your
State.
Lordship, that is the.
State appointed them. So now you may not be able to give the scale of pay on your own basis.
Yes, that's true.
But you have to make the attempt. You have to inform the central agencies that, look, sir, this is the order. Kindly allow us to give them the scale of pay. Central government will say no. You have done your best. Is there a contempt? No. But if you sit on the file and you don't send it to them,
Yes, one thing is that, like, okay, the court may consider or not consider, but we have said we have filed a review. I mean, like, and even during meantime, like,
who has filed the review?
The state has filed a review on that SLP. That's why on that we're just like graciously seeking time. And moreover, Your Lordship, during the RMSA teacher, this group of petitioner, they agitated before the government, and therefore, like, after some discussion.
I am only allowing you time to get your instructions as to what steps you have taken for granting them the scale of pay. Scale of pay is a separate chapter, and giving them the pay in that scale is a separate chapter. Am I being able to convey? No.
Your Lordship, I'm still
A person's scale is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees. That is the scale.
Yes, sir.
He is entitled to 13,000 rupees.
Mm.
Fixed pay is 12,000 rupees fixed. You don't have a scale.
No.
This court said you grant them the
Have the
scale.
scale, yes.
So now you are trying to say that you do not have the authority to grant them the scale of pay.
No, as of
To
now,
fix
the
the scale.
review has been filed. That's why we're just awaiting that. And if it succeeds
be a
or not
reason.
succeed,
That
then
cannot be a reason.
Your Lordship, I think we will be bound to comply.
That cannot be a reason. You have to at least start compliance till the review is heard or.
That's why I have also stated that there's the government has, with the consensus of the petitioner, we have actually constituted a high-level committee, Your Lordship. I have already stated in the affidavit. And within that 6
cut out
weeks.
that last part. The council appearing for the respondents shall also inform the court as to what progress has been made by the high-level committee,
Yes, Your Lordship.
which has been stated to be formed to bring to
The review is to be completed within 6 months. And with that, Your Lordship, my paragraph 6, Your Lordship, to make it clear.
paragraph.
6, Your Lordship.
Your paragraph 6 of today's affidavit.
Yes, today's affidavit, Your Lordship.
Where is the affidavit? I lost it. Your affidavit filed by respondent number?
Number 4.
Where is that affidavit respondent number 4? Where is that affidavit? Oh, yes, sorry.
Paragraph 6, Your Lordship.
Yes, the progress made for in the high-level committee. Did I read that high-level committee thing? The progress made by the high-level committee. Stop. We have fixed a date, no? Huh? List the matter again as fixed before. Right? Unless the central government,
Yes.
you read that paragraph.
Yes.
I will point it out. You take the paragraph, read it. Where is that? I read that sentence somewhere. No, it is in that other one. The
will be
earlier
in the other
affidavit,
affidavit.
respondent number 1, if it
Yes, Your Lordship.
come to the affidavit of respondent number 1. You have that affidavit, respondent number 1. Srimati Kevileno Angami.
Yes.
You have that?
Yeah.
Come to page 2, Roman 3, down below.
Okay.
Roman 2 and 3, you see?
Yeah.
Government
Yes,
of
sir.
India, Ministry of Finance. Fine, then come to page 3, Roman 5. However, since there is no response from the
Government of India.
so who is trying to stall the orders? The state government or the central government? Is it not?
Yeah.
Who is stopping the orders? So unless you bring them before the court,
They should also be made a party. in fact.
Eh?
They should also be made a party, actually. Because that is the main condition in our review.
is it for you and me to advise?
No, Your Lordship.
Huh? We can note, we can point out, we cannot advise.
Your Lordship.
We should not advise.
I appreciate it.
So that is why I have recorded that the counsel for the petitioner will examine that aspect of the matter.
Yes.
Examine that aspect of the matter. Who should comply? Who is stopping the compliance?
Your Lordship, the matter is fixed on.
I think 27th, 29th, 29th of October. Okay? Oh, make it 30. Make it 30, okay?
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Thank you.